Imagine arriving at a new military installation, ready for your next chapter, but also wondering, where will I live? How do I find my new home and settle in? Applying for on-base military housing is a straightforward process that begins with contacting the Housing Management Office, or HMO, at your new installation. This office is your primary resource for all things related to on-base living. The Housing Management Office exists to help service members and their families find suitable accommodations, whether that is government-owned housing or through privatized housing partners. They maintain the official waiting lists and have the most current information on availability and specific requirements for each base. Their role is to ensure a fair and equitable assignment of housing to eligible personnel. The first step is to connect with the Housing Management Office at your gaining installation as soon as you receive your Permanent Change of Station, or PCS, orders. Many bases allow you to apply for housing before you physically arrive, which can save you valuable time. You will typically need to provide a copy of your orders, your most recent leave and earnings statement, or LES, and documentation of any dependents, such as birth certificates or marriage licenses. The HMO will explain the different types of housing available, such as family housing or unaccompanied personnel housing, and guide you through the necessary paperwork. Be sure to ask about current waiting list times, as these can vary significantly based on rank, family size, and housing availability. An important aspect to understand is that many installations have transitioned to privatized housing managed by private companies working in partnership with the military. Even with privatized housing, the Housing Management Office is your first point of contact and continues to oversee the process, acting as an advocate for service members. They will help you navigate the application with the privatized housing partner and understand lease agreements. By proactively engaging with your installation's Housing Management Office, you are taking the best steps to ensure a smooth transition and secure comfortable living arrangements for yourself or your family. This early communication helps you understand your options, manage expectations, and quickly settle into your new military community.